The Specific Hydrogen Research Center brings together 11 UPC research groups covering the entire hydrogen value chain, including the CTCC group with Professor Joaquim Rigola and the NEMAN group, which I'm part of, Lluís Soler, where we'll develop these hydrogen test benches under the aeroH2ub project.
Within the framework of this project, we are developing an experimental rig for testing hydrogen combustion processes. The idea is to obtain detailed maps of temperatures, flame length, and flame density, allowing us to better understand and visualize how pure hydrogen combustion works when applied to sectors such as aviation.
We're developing a test bench for producing sustainable aviation fuels. This boils down to a first reactor where we'd introduce biogas, and this biogas would be transformed into an intermediate product called synthesis gas. We'd send this synthesis gas to a second reactor where it would react with the hydrogen produced at Alger Airport to ultimately produce this sustainable aviation fuel. The importance of producing sustainable aviation fuels in a facility like an airport is based on using or transforming CO2, using hydrogen into a product that can give us energy. It's a paradigm shift where CO2 is no longer waste, but the basis for producing that fuel that will allow us to power all kinds of machinery, even airplanes.
This test bench is important not only for testing new designs and configurations in the context of hydrogen combustion in aviation, but also for validating these experimental results against numerical tools and models that allow us to improve and optimize these processes. UPC's role in the aeroH2ub project is based on contributing the technical and scientific capabilities of UPC research groups who are experts in hydrogen and its phenomena, to develop test benches capable of running different hydrogen tests useful for analysis, and the design and optimization of specific hydrogen utilization processes for aviation.
The big challenge for these solutions to be applied one day in the aviation sector is based on maximum efficiency and lower cost. This way, these new technologies could eventually be applied. Also, keeping in mind that volume to weight ratio that sets the limits of aeronautics to make planes fly. The aeroH2ub project is a unique project because it's developed in a very specific environment, which is the airport facilities of Alger Airport. Being able to carry out these technologies in real conditions will allow us to reach a level of technological maturity we couldn't reach if we didn't leave the lab.
The role of hydrogen and sustainable fuels in aviation is an essential need in the coming years to reduce the use of fossil fuels such as kerosene and thereby reduce environmental emissions of polluting gases such as carbon dioxide and Europe's energy dependence on these fossil fuels.